Get 222 with Swing Traders Anonymous. It's 12:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. So what's going on right now in the total crypto market cap? We're down just about 1.8, not even. We're down 0.92% at 1.92 trillion, just under 1.93 trillion. So a quick recap of what's going on so that you guys can see, and then it's almost 1 a.m. here, but I wanted to put out an update. So we've got right now in the total crypto market cap, we're getting stuck at 1.968 trillion. We really need to get over the 2.038 trillion mark for us to have any kind of real run. If we can't get over 2.009 trillion, we're decimated right now. And unfortunately right now, for anybody who wants the market to run up, it's just, that's not in the deck of cards right now. We've got a lot of volume, though, coming in. Look at that in the total crypto market cap lately. So that's something to pay attention to. But we have the support if it doesn't hold. And it looks like the broader market could come down a level. So this could come down to 1.89 trillion at minimum. I think in the daily time frame, we got a meeting with a little bit lower targets. I think we're going to come down to about here. The daily time frame's coming down to the coming up to the support. I think down to that 1.89 trillion is a logical target here. So I think we're gonna have a small little liquidation dump. It's not gonna be big, but it could be nothing more than a shakeout of the market. But it is kind of we'll get to it when we get to Bitcoin. But we're gonna do the total crypto market cap, Ethereum and Bitcoin tonight because those are the two important ones right now. So the total crypto market cap, and now with Bitcoin, as we mentioned. Bitcoin had a daily close under 44,000, and that's staggering because you really wanted to close over 44 because under 44 gives you a possibility of a reversal candle here on what looked to be a bear pennant, a bull pennant, and that would indicate that we would probably have to come down here and retest the daily time frame, which is right about 42,000. So that's what it kind of looks like here. If you go the RSI is getting up there a little bit in the daily time frame. To me, it seems like we have to correct here a little bit. And we're starting to in the 4-hourly, but the 30-minute, we're looking at the 200-day down here. And if we don't hold that in the 30-minute time frame, that's going to prove this bearish pennant true. And I think with what the total crypto market cap showing, I think it's fair to think that we could come down and retest the daily time frame on Bitcoin. I know it looks like an inverted head and shoulders, so if this is playing true, we're going to have to come down and have a little bit of a dump here to like 43. It's going to be more like 42,000 if it comes down. And I think that's what's happening here. So you can see the inverted head and shoulders, but you've got to be careful because we had an inverted head and shoulders just before this and it decided to dump. But this looks pretty promising as long as we can maintain and hold that daily time frame in the 20-day in the daily time frame. It's there in red. So that's what we're looking to hold there. And if we can do that, we should be able to push up to likely 47,800 would be the next level. We would have a midpoint of 45,500, which was the old high, but that's what we'd be looking at. A breakdown would be catastrophic. Ethereum's at 3,068, down 1.74%, or down 54.61 since the flip of the clock, just 4 hours exactly ago. 3,000 is an important support level. We've got the daily time frame in the 20-day. That's down here at 29.77. You really don't want to come down there, but that's your ultimate support, so we'll move this down. Because as long as you can stay over the 29.71, then, but you don't want to come down below 3,000. So with Ethereum, you're looking at a 3,000 support. And then if you fell through that critical support, you've got one more layer, as we know that I just put it there. But we're going to put this back here because you don't want to fall through that at all. Man, it's starting to rain outside. And now we're going to get snow tomorrow too. Fantastic. So that's what you're looking at with Ethereum. If you can break out, you got to get past 3,279. And then you got a few areas above. But it's going to be very hard to not have some kind of pull down here with what's going on in the broader markets. I'm not saying it's going to be a big pull down, but I think we could have an Ethereum, you know, a fake out down to about 2,971 and then quickly pull back over 3,000 if it's a fake out. But just be aware that this could happen tonight. Stay blessed, everybody. Hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it.